in bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see trees of green, I see them white, I got rain all day and night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the skies, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I see heroes crying, I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than you ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the skies, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies crying, I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than you'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. People living like they ain't got no mamas. I think the whole world addicted to the drama, only attracted to the things that'll bring you trauma. Overseas, yeah, we try to stop terrorism, but we still got terrorists here living in the USA. The big CIA, the Bloods and the Crips and the KKK. But if you only have love for your own race, then you only need space to discriminate. And if you discriminate, only generates hate. And when they hate, then you're bound to get irate. Man, this is what you demonstrate. And that's exactly how anger works and operates. Man, you gotta have love just to set it straight. Take control of your mind and meditate. Let your soul gravitate to the love, y'all. It just ain't the same. Old ways have changed. New days are strange. Is the world insane? If love and peace are so strong, why the pieces of love that don't belong? Nations dropping bombs, chemical gases filling lungs of little ones with ongoing suffering as if they're young. So ask yourself, is it loving really gone? So I can ask myself, really what is going on in this world that we're living in? People keep on giving in, making wrong decisions, only visions, only dip that not respecting each other. Denial, nah, brother, a war's going on, but the reason's undercover. The truth is kept secret, it's swept under the rug. If you never know truth, then you never know love. We should love y'all, come on. Where's the truth, y'all? Come on, see it, come on. I feel the weight of the world on my shoulder. As I'm getting older, y'all people get colder. Most of us only care about money making. Selfishness got us following the wrong direction. Wrong information always shown by the media. Negative images is the main criteria. Infecting the young minds faster than bacteria. Kids wanna act like what they see in the cinemas, y'all. Whatever happened to the values of humanity? Whatever happened to the fairness and equality? Instead of spreading love, we're spreading animosity. Lack of understanding leading us away from unity. That's a reason why sometimes I'm feeling under. That's a reason why sometimes I'm feeling down. It's all wonder why sometimes I'm feeling under. Gotta keep my faith alive to love is found. People killing, people dying, children hurt and you hear cry. Would you practice what you preach, or would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us. Send to guidance from above. So people got me questioning. Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is surrender? Where is the love?